managing the screen time, handling tantrums, dealing with hyperactivity, controlling anger, and of course, the never-ending battle over food and nutrition. Sound familiar to you? But what if we told you that these are not the biggest challenges of parenting of a 0 to 12-year-old? The real challenge is managing your busy schedule and still finding the time and the energy to be a parent your child needs. That's where our 5-day parenting boot camps comes into the play. We not only address the child's needs, but also focus on equipping you, the parents, with the right mindset and the tools to handle all the challenges of being a busy parent. Now tell me, do you want to become the parent your child deserves? In this 5-day parenting boot camp, you'll be learning how to balance your work and parenting by just spending 20 minutes a day, how to handle your kids' behavioral issues, and most importantly, how to bring out the best in your child and in you. Remember, it's not just about making your life easier as a parent, it's all about unlocking a world of endless potential and opportunities for your child. So if you are ready to make a change that you will impact not just your child's next few years, but their entire future, then join us by clicking on the link below right now. I'm looking forward to meet you in the boot camp at the earliest.